You scroll at night, sleep late, and wake up tired. You constantly push yourself throughout the day. Often you feel like coffee or tea has stopped working. You think you need more sleep. No, your energy is stolen. If you fix this, your energy will be regained. But here's the truth, it is not how long you sleep, it is about what is draining your energy. There are three energy thieves which makes you exhausted every single day. Today, I'll show you what they are and how to fix them with simple changes. Once you understand this, you will never look at the routine in the same way before. The first energy thief is your late night. You constantly scroll, work, delay your sleep, go to bed late. Your body is tired, but your brain is still active. Even if you manage to sleep, your body is not properly rested. So you wake up even more tired again and again in the morning. The simple fix is go to bed earlier. Make sure to at least go to your bed 30 minutes ahead of your usual time. Give your body that real rest. Don't just fix the number of hours of the sleep. Fix the timing. That will give you all the energy back how much you needed for the day to start. I used to do this for decades. I usually sleep late and try to compensate my sleeping hours by waking up late. But that never worked. Until I learned all these, nothing shifted in me. Only after implementing and learning all these three secrets, I was able to regain my energy back. The second energy thief is your eating habits. You often eat late night dinner and skip your breakfast. Often during night, your body wants to sleep, but you force itself to digest. In the morning, it needs food, but you are skipping it. There is an imbalance created here, and that drains your energy. What can be fixed is make sure to eat a early dinner and have your breakfast. I have shared the formula for the balanced and perfect breakfast which would regain your energy in my another video. I have shared the link in the description. Make sure to watch it to make your breakfast which energizes you instead of draining you. The third energy thief is your morning start. By the way, this is the one which most people go wrong. You often start your day with coffee or mobile. But your body doesn't need stimulant. It needs hydration. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, our body is dehydrated and is starving for that hydration. How that can be fixed is morning as soon as you wake up, just take some deep breaths. Even 3 to 5 deep breaths is fine. Then make sure to hydrate yourself. Drink at least 1 glass of water before coffee. This will almost fix your energy for the day. So these three are the energy thieves that is draining you. If you are able to fix all these, your late night sleep, your morning routine, and your eating habit, you will regain all the energy and you would be energized forever. By the by, if you are tired of feeling tired every day, make sure to subscribe my channel. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process to get rid of your tiredness and feel that energy back. Make sure to hit that bell icon so that you will receive the notification after I have published the video on what to eat for better energy throughout the day.